Coming up next, a parenting solution straight out of folklore. In Japan, an app lets you summon a demon to discipline your child. Yes, you heard that right. Let's take a closer look. Parenting is never easy. Around the world, every culture has a name for those trying toddler years. In English, it's the terrible twos. But in Japan, it's called Ma no Nisai, literally, devil 2-year-olds. Now, one Japanese company is embracing that term quite literally. Meet Onikara Denwa, or Phone Call from a Demon. It's a parenting app designed to give misbehaving kids a little fright by having a demon call and scold them. Here's how it works. Parents choose from different scenarios: refusing to listen, not eating, bedtime tantrums, sibling arguments, or broken promises, and the app places a fake phone call from an angry demon. The latest update features a new demon voice, none other than Japanese comedian Kintaro, known for her wild facial expressions and over-the-top delivery. She's recorded 5 different voice messages that make the calls even more dramatic. The call looks real, complete with ringing, caller ID, and a stern voice on the other end, enough to make some kids sit up and behave.
赤鬼です。また言うこと聞かないんですか。はあ、今日はどうしたんですか。困りましたね。どうしましょうか。
But this isn't just a gimmick. Demons, or oni, have been part of Japanese folklore for centuries, especially as figures who scare misbehaving children. Though in stories, they're usually defeated with something as simple as a handful of beans. So, is this parenting tool clever or controversial? Some may find it too intense, others see it as harmless fun. And if your child recognizes Kintaro's voice, they might just laugh instead of scream. Available on both Android and iOS, Onikara Denwa is free to download and growing in popularity among Japanese parents looking for a creative, if spooky, way to set boundaries. Discipline meets digital folklore, only in Japan. Would you let a demon handle your parenting for a few minutes? Let us know your thoughts in the comments.